again, this is me, Hope, and I was going to do costume review and make a tutorial on Howldeen Wolf. I actually made the costume. You're seeing part of it right now. It's so hot. I did my hair. I took it up and then I pulled it back and then tied it up like that. And now I'm going to do my makeup. I am going just to not do any bronzer because I actually already have foundation on. Lots and lots. So now I'm just going to do my eyes. I'm going to start out with the lids. This is from Monster High. This is blue color. And it looks like that on the back. It's from Monster High. And I'm just going to put it on my lids. Okay, it looks like that blue. Yeah. Wish for a little real with my blush. It's a light blue, but I'm going to mix it with a darker blue in a minute. And that was a light blue. I'm putting that back. Now, I'm going to mix it with this LA Colors palette and this blue right here. It's a dark blue. It's a blue. Okay, let me get that off. And there I have that. Now let me do the other eye. Okay, I have that down now. I'm going to do my topper, or the top. I am just going to make sure it's all off. And I'm going to use the pink out of the same palette, this pink right here. It's like a blush color. Sometimes I use it for blush and it's really eyeshadow. It's just like a light pink. I'm going to use. I'm going to add, that's it. I'm going to add a darker pink to that too. I keep on mixing. I do not know. I'm going to use this LA Colors glitter palette. I'm using this pink right here. Just above. Okay, I have the eyes done. I'm just going to put a little bit of mascara because she's a kid. She don't wear a lot. But I'm going to just use this. It's so cheap. I don't like it. I think it's just for your bottle lash. That's why I'm using it. I'm not using my Maybelline. I'm using this cheap. It's Great Lash, the Blackest Black mascara. And it's so little brush. It looks like a little brush. I'm not going to put a lot. I'm just going to go like 2 strokes or something. I'm not going to put eyeliner on either. So that's the eyes. Now I'm going to the lips. I am going to take, where is it? My LA Colors white jumbo eye pencil. It's this white, and it's called Seashells. It says it. So I'm just going to put it on my lips to make the fangs. Okay, we have that done. Another kind of spread it apart. That's what you want. So I'm going to do this, wait, no, not that one. I'm going to get my lip out. And it's this LA Colors lipstick. It is called Pink Frost. There. And it's this color, which is pink. And do not blot. I'm just going to get the insides. And do not blot. I have that. I have it. And that is my makeup. Let's check it out. Now, my mom is going to show you my costume right now. She is going to show you. I have my hair done, and I have my jacket like she has. I have an orange t-shirt she does, and instead of shorts, she has shorts, put on a skirt, and here's some leggy tights, and they're pink, and I'm wearing some boots. She has shorter boots, and I have some socks under here that are cool. So that's that. And there's the costume, and I also have this ring like she has, and I put some bracelets on. So that's the tutorial on costume. Thanks for watching. Bye.